the first trailhead of our first hike. So we're going to go check out what a lot of people call the well, also known as our steam vent. All right, let's go. All right, let's continue.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Now we're at the top of one of the old helicopter pads. Used to be here. There's Lonnie. He's helping us get up here. You can see the path from where we came. There's also another path. You can see it branches off right there. And you actually start it in Potrero Field. So same kind of hike, just depends on where you want to enter from. We took the one that's pretty close to the main housing office, but if you live in Anacapa, it would probably be easiest to start from over there.